Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday. Still Thursday, January 13th, 2022. And we have here in this additional 9 extra puzzles. All those puzzles, I have a PDF file. Just go below and click on a PDF file and you can print it out and you can solve it by yourself. But the third puzzle we have here, I will continue with the third puzzle, is a binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 3975. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no there, no. Between two O's comes an 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Then. Well. Let me think. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. And now, I think we need to compare. And let me check. 3 3s, yeah. Will be difficult. So we need to compare now. Well, we have 3 columns. We have a 1 here. 1 0 here. 1 1. The last column and the first column. 1 1 0 1 empty box. We need to switch these two box digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1, and we have a 1 here, this should be an O. Well, it's not helping me. Need more information. This one is almost the same. Okay, so this one and that one. 0011 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Well, not helping me. I need to compare again. Why is this difficult? Well, I know between an O and a 1 with two empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, and the fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Okay. Then, we need to compare, And I've told you this one is almost the same with that one. Look, oh, oh, 1, 1, 1, 1, oh, oh, 1, 1, oh, oh. Empty box, empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, correct. Finish in 5 minutes. Wow. Interesting. This one is an interesting binary, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. With the other two puzzles, Tectonic with 4 stars and a Sudoku mix. Until then, bye bye for now.